water, wind, all of the elements. Summer, fall, winter, spring, all of the lovely seasons. Go outside, there's so many reasons. Birds singing, sunshine gleaming, the sun's so bright it hurts my eyes. At night you see fireflies. I love the food there, it's all so fun. The party's great, have a good time. Think about it, all the trees to climb. So high up we can touch the sky. Nature's big and full of excitement. So much to do, I'm feeling excited. Go explore, everyone. How about we all go have some fun?
Nature's nature, but when you're missing it, you miss a lot of acres. Decide you want to look around, find a rope, and climb up a tree, and you sound so pleased. When you run around, you look like a clown. Then you get a wound and scrape it off. Then you get a cough and you sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. Then you hide under a tree, but above you there are peas. You turn around and see another tree, and there is a squirrel that's getting teased. There is a wolf that tears up your camp, and then it gets very damp. It starts raining, there are puddles. All that water causes some trouble. You start complaining because the rain made a flood that looks like mud. There are plants and you take a glance. Then you see ants that were on the plants. Then it's all over with a dozer.
Nature has many trees that are very green. But in the fall, the leaves turn brown, and in the winter, the leaves are gone. There are many acres full of green grass. In the weeds are many seeds that are perfectly for seedlings. In nature, there are many quakes that make the ground shake. The quakes break the dirt and people get hurt. Soon you will have to move into the dirt. There are many different kinds of flowers, and the bees suck on their pollen. Then they scatter it across the globe, and soon flowers bloom and grow. Nature, living in nature. Nature is cool, but it can be boring. It's got the itsy bitsy spider hanging from a tree. Although it's really fun, don't mess with nature or you'll be done. Nature was made by God, so God is no fraud. Trees, air, the things we need, all come from nature.
Go outside for many reasons. It's great, it's fun, the animals run. At night, you'll see some fireflies and think about all the trees you climb. Nature is extraordinary, and the beach is better than the pool, yeah. And when you are tired, you can rest your head in your bed and dream about the fun you've had in nature. So never forget that when it's gone, you won't be sad. So go outside and have some fun. Look out for paw prints and don't step on red ants. It's got oceans, lands, and prairies. Yeah, nature is fun, so cherish it. By Max and Frankie.
It's time to talk about nature. In nature, you can find a glacier. The sun is bright and big, and it's the reason we can live. Different creatures live in nature. Every creature has some features. Nature has trees and leaves, and sometimes you will feel a breeze. Nature provides tools and food, and can also put people into a good mood. The outdoors may not be your thing, and the reason why might be bees can sting. Nature has animals fast and slow, and the canyons you can find are quite low. Nature makes noises that can keep you awake, but not going in nature is a big mistake. Branches and twigs snap underfoot, and beware of Bigfoot.
You can swing on trees and climb rocks, but nature can be harsh, like being whipped by a branch or being blown into a marsh. Nature can have big things such as a cliff and maybe a whiff of ocean air, or rarely a bear, or small things like an ant or hair. Sometimes nature can be very diverse. It can have different trees and birds. Spring can be small, but sometimes it hurts. A forest can have many trees.
such as a white oak or honey locust. Nature can have many emotions and you may need lotions. It can also produce many emotions such as happy, sad, or mad.
Hike a mountain way up high, you'll feel like you're in the sky. There are so many trees inside, there's hives with bees flying around everywhere. You can feel the breeze, feel the warm sunshine when playing outside. Then you'll want to take a bike ride where there's snow, ski and glide. Near the ocean there's a high tide. Take the kayak on a lake, then you'll see the waves break. Take the trip way out west, there you'll find a bird's nest. See minerals on the ground near the geyser that was found. Nature can be extraordinary, you can see all of the prairies. There are apples, pineapples galore. If you want some good fruit, go look for more. You can eat trees and the air smells sweet. I like the smell of fresh meat. I ride a wave that feels so green. You can see kids now, listen carefully. Evergreen, bittersweet, nightmare on Elm Street, kinetic theory of heat. The summer fades to autumn to winter to spring, each different having their own different thing. People should recycle every day, ride your bicycle, jiggle up the round trail. Sometimes there are rusty nuts. You can see the birds singing or hear the turtles. You could get a pet and bring it to the outside. Some people are mailing, but people like Eddie are sailing. While people are sailing, people are also failing.
Nature is extraordinary. I hope you think so too. Next time you see a dandelion, make a big wish and blow it out. Plant flowers to help make the world run around and grow in the lovely green grass. Feels so nice with the cool summer breeze. Grow lovely plants in a green garden. Grow them to their greatest extent. Hello, lovely sun. Goodbye, starry night. The sun shines above our heads. The moon and the stars shine very bright. Stars are bright and wonderful, like a big night light up there in the sky. Nature has a lot of things to do. It's extraordinary, and the beach is better than the pool. You have way more space than inside. You feel like you can fly inside. Used to be T-Rexes, but no more. The seasons, spring, fall, and don't forget about summer and winter, yeah. All the seasons are amazing, and the summer is blazing. He has wildlife every single place you go, and nature is where plants grow. Yeah, sunflowers growing everywhere. No need to go to the store when you can just open your door. That's why nature is the best, better than the rest.